What's up guys, it's Kintgoy here. In today's video guys, I'll be showing you the new method of speedrunning in Dead Rails. But before we do that, if you're not sub yet, please sub and it helps me create more videos guys. So enough yapping, let's go. So you need two players. The class needed is Alamo and Conductor. So one of you will buy a 15 coal in low V so that the other can earn and the other will earn too. But the buyer of coal. And you can do this with ult too. Meta of Alamo and Conductor to speedrun Dead Rails. So let's go, Nightmare mode. So the Alamo will cover both sides of the train and where you're seated and in left side too. Once you're done, buy 2 coal and spawn and buy 1 snake oil. Drop the 20 money of the other player so you can buy the snake oil. Then once you're in the 80k base, stop in the end of rails, then pop a snake oil, then go to the right window, then unveil the metal sheet, then cover your face with it, then lower the bridge. So you need to drop the other player to 70k base, so that if you die, and crank the bridge, so that there's no worries. In normal, you can do this in normal mode and in nightmare mode. So here we're playing nightmare mode. So yeah, that's it guys. I'll post more vids like this if this video gets 10 likes. So yeah, that's it. Bye. That's it. So yeah, that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe guys, and that's it. Bye.